Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying your Hop into Spring kit from the Explore More Discovery Museum. Right now, I'm going to show you the activity Root Garden Tubes. So you'll need the note card that has the words in brown, and then you'll also need the 2 test tubes that are full of soil. You'll need the bag that says seeds, the greenhouse box, the watering pitcher, and a little bit of water. All right, now the first thing you're going to want to do is open the bag of seeds carefully so you don't lose the seeds. You can pour them out onto your hand, and you should have 2 brown seeds like this. Those are bean seeds, and you should take one of those seeds and just drop it in the water for now. You're going to want to leave yours in there for about 4 hours before you finish the project, but I'm not going to leave mine in there that long. All right, but you want to soak it for a couple of hours. While that's soaking, by the way, these little white seeds are carrot seeds, all right? So while that's soaking, let's go ahead and put together the greenhouse box. It's kind of tricky. You might need a grown-up to help you with it, all right? First, just fold it along all these edges. Fold everything in just to get those creases all nice and easy to move. Then, to put it together, you're going to fold these sides up, and you're going to take this little piece and slide it right in there like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Slide it right in. Then you're going to lift it up like this. Slide this side in, like so. And then we're going to just bend this one a little bit and tuck it right in there. All right, so we have this box. We want to really close it though. We want to tuck it in really well. All right, so that it looks like this. Now, this is important that it has this little clear space here because that's how the sunlight is going to get in to our greenhouse to help our plants grow. All right, so once that's ready, you can just set that aside. All right, then after your bean has been soaking a while, take it out, open one of the test tubes. Doesn't really matter which one. And you're just going to push some of that dirt aside. See how I kind of just pushed my finger down in there to make a spot? Then you're going to take the seed and you're going to put it in there and you're going to poke it down so that it's against the test tube wall, because we want to be able to see this seed as it sprouts and grows. And if it's against the wall here, you'll be able to do that. Then put the lid on. Whoops, I'm sorry, I forgot a part. Then pour in just a little bit of water. You actually need about 5 milliliters. Mine right now says 35 milliliters, so I'm just going to pour just enough so that it says 30. All right, that's enough water. You don't want to overwater it or the seed will rot, all right? Once you've put a little water in there, you can put the top on it. And then in the top of your greenhouse box, you'll see these little cut X's, all right? So we are going to just put that right down in there. And it's kind of nice because you can see it. You might want to turn it a little bit so that you can see the side of the seed the side of the tube that you planted the seed on, but it fits in there really nicely. Then you're just going to do the same thing for the carrot seeds, except you don't need to soak those first. All right, so again, you're just going to poke your finger down in there, kind of make some space. All right, you're going to take one of the seeds, you're going to put it in there up against the side, and you're going to cover it. I don't know if you can see, there's a little white dot there. The beans are a little harder to see because they're brown, but as long as you get it up there, it should be fine. Then same thing, we're just going to pour a little bit of water in there, about 5 milliliters. All right, put the lid on it, put it in the other X, turn it so that the seed side is facing the window, all right? And then you're just going to put the whole thing in a sunny spot and wait for the seeds to sprout. Once they've sprouted, pay attention to what the roots are doing and how they're growing, and then let me know what you see that's different between the two kinds of seeds.